students, how are you all? This is me Anam and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to discuss about the disjoint sets and overlapping sets. I'll be explaining you all that what is the major difference between disjoint and overlapping sets. So I have already posted some videos on sets on my channel. So you may check them in my playlist section, and I will be also linking some the links of the videos which are related to this topic, which are union and intersection and difference of sets. So you can check the description box later on. So now let's get to the topic, which is a disjoint sets. Okay. Now let me tell you what disjoint sets are. Disjoint from its word means that not linked together, not joined together. All right. So it's a joint means a linking point, and disjoint means that there is no linking point. Right. So disjoint sets are basically like you can say that from the word it's all obvious that the disjoint means that there's no connection between the sets. So the two sets A and B are said to be disjoint sets if there is no common element between them, right? Or you may say that intersection is an empty set. A intersection B is an empty set, like you draw the curly bars and you don't write anything between them, so it means that it's an empty set. Let's So what does disjoint means? Two sets basically have no common element in between them. So whenever you're going to take an intersection of those two sets, you will not find any common element in between them. So that's why the intersection is going to be an empty set, and those sets are known as disjoint sets. Let's discuss it further with the help of an example. It will help you understand the topic better. So let's take two sets A and B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Now, if you look at these two sets and if you take out the intersection between these two sets, like this is 1, 2, 3, intersection 4, 5, 6, you will see that there is no common element in between them, because intersection means that there must be a common element between them, otherwise the both sets will be disjoint sets, right? So here you can see there's no common element between these two sets. So when you're going to write the answer, it's going to be an empty set, because you're going to write these two curly bars, you're going to draw these two curly bars, but curly brackets, sorry, but you're not gonna write anything in between them. Or you can also write this symbol, which is you go like this. This is a phi. All right, it's known as phi, and it also represents an empty set. Okay, so A intersection B is an empty set, or you can write it as phi. Okay, so it means that there is no common element between them. So these two sets A and B are known as disjoint sets. All right, now let's talk about the overlapping sets. Now let's have a look at overlapping sets. Now, overlapping, as the name suggests, it means that things are being over each other, like they are overlapping. It means that there is something common in between them. So the name itself suggests that there is being something common in between them. So the two sets A and B are said to be overlapping sets if there is at least one element common between them. That is, A intersection B is not an empty set, right? So overlapping set is basically an opposite of disjoint sets. So there is common at least one common element in between two sets, right? Now let's have a look at an example. This will help you understand the topic better. Now, for example, set A is 0, 1, 5, set B is 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, if somebody asks you to prove that either they are disjoint sets or overlapping sets, you're going to simply take intersection of both the sets, and you will find 0, 1, 5 intersection 1, 3, 5, 7. And when you're going to find the common elements, you will see that 1 is common between them and 5 is also common between them, right? So we have 1 and 5 common in between these two sets, so it means that they are overlapping each other, right? because they have some common elements in between them, right? So this is what overlapping means. So disjoint is completely opposite to overlapping. Overlapping means that there is at least one element common between the two sets, and disjoint means that there is no element. Okay. Let's summarize these two topics together. Disjoint sets means that A intersection B is an empty set, which means that there are no common elements. And the overlapping set means that A intersection B is not an empty set and have common elements. Alright, so this was today's topic. I hope you understand it well. Make sure that you watch the previous videos on union of sets, intersection sets, and difference of sets so that you understand the topic better. If you have any confusion in what intersection between two or more sets means. Alright, so meet you in my other video. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you will never miss out any video from this channel. So meet you in my other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.